For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Here's a tip as it relates to family matters. Family. Some of us have family and some of us don't. We may have family that we wish was more or less involved. What rights do family members have as it relates to you and me? How do we best re-engage or disengage? Are things best said or are they better left unsaid? Heck if I know, but we do know people who know better. Social workers, care managers, fiduciaries, and other advisors, the list goes on. At the Senior Learning Institute, we'll point you in the right direction, first via our website and then at our live seminars. Check out the seniorlearninginstitute.com resource, video, and library pages, or also register for a seminar or two. You can always call us at 314-400-8102. That's 314-400-8102. We're happy to help, free as always. For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb.